Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we're going to take the chapter from 7th class science subject, that is water. Water is the one of the three basic necessities of life. These basic necessities include air, food, and water. Now, first of all, we will know how much water is available on the earth. In this figure, you see 97% of Earth's water is saline, that is in oceans, and only 3% of the Earth's water is fresh water that we can use for drinking. Further, this 3% of water is in the shape of ice caps, glaciers, and groundwater. And only 1% is accessible for drinking out of surface water. And the surface water includes water in lakes, water in rivers, streams, etc. %71% of the earth is covered with water. However, all of that water cannot be consumed by the living organisms. As discussed in the figure, 97% of the earth's water is saline, that is present in the oceans, and 3% of the earth's water is fresh, that is present in ice caps, glaciers, and underground. This fresh water can be obtained from underground, rivers, and lakes. Even then, just 1% of our fresh water is easily accessible, with much of it trapped in glaciers and snowfields. Now, what are the different forms of water? Water exists in three different states. When in solid state, it is as ice and snow on the earth. Liquid state. Water exists in the liquid state in rivers, lakes, oceans, and under the ground. And the third one is gaseous state, that is, water exists as water vapors in the atmosphere. Moving forward, we will know about the water cycle. Water cycle is a natural process that continuously happens on earth. The water cycle maintains the amount of water on the earth. It can be divided into four phases as shown in the figure. That is evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection. Let us see these phases one by one. First is evaporation. It is a process when the water from the Earth's surface gets converted into water vapors due to the heat of the sun. The water vapor then gets into the air. The second phase of water cycle is condensation. The water vapor rises up in the atmosphere and gets accumulated above, condenses and form water droplets. These droplets collect together and form clouds. When clouds are formed, the phase of precipitation starts when the volume of droplets increase, that is when the volume of clouds increase in the atmosphere, it falls on the earth as rainfall and is also called as precipitation. Sometimes it also occurs as snowfall in some areas. And the last phase is collection of water. As the water falls back on the earth, it travels along the surface and gets accumulated at different places like lakes, rivers, sea, oceans, and under the ground. That is how the amount of water is regulated on the earth. Thanks for watching this video.